I'm showing these dolls right away.
Nenaboozhoo and Nokomis. Mazanapkin ge go na be indigenous. Gonna be guk shabigaj wat and don jaba. Gnoje and dodem. Nishnabe nini and dao. Nimki ajbikong ninda. Gitchin and dum ya mompi. We ganon and guk atsu khan. Hello everybody, my name is Isaac Murdoch. I'm from the Great Lakes. I currently live at Nimki Ajbikong, which means Thunder Mountain. And I come from the beautiful place of where the serpents are painted on the rocks. I'm Ojibway, and I am extremely excited to be here with you. And today we're going to be telling you a story. But before we move on, let's find out a little bit about this person right here.
Nenaboozhoo. My name is Nenaboozhoo and Nokomis Indigenous. Northwest Angle in Dunjaba, Nimki Ajbakong Ninda. I'm Ojibway, and I also live at a place called Thunder Mountain. It's called Nimki Ajbakong.
Yay! Nimki Ajbakong! Yay! Okay, to start off, we want to sing you a beautiful song. Now, I'm not the beautiful singer. I'm just going to be following along. Shannon over here is the beautiful singer. And so, Shannon, take it away.
Okay. I got my Shechiguan.
And I got my duegan, my drum.
Wagon, and we're going to sing a song to open up this beautiful morning for everybody. And you're going to help me, right?
I'm going to do my best. I'm going to do
Okay.
my best.
Well, hey, hi, well, hey, hi. Well, hey, hi, well, hey, hi. Well, hey, hi, yeah. Well, hey, hi, well, hey, yo, yeah, hey, yeah. Robin, Minnow, well, hey, hi, yeah, well, hey, well, hey, hi, yeah, well, hey, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Well, hey, hi, well, hey, hi. Well, hey, hi, yeah, well, hey, hi. Well, hey, hi, yeah, well, hey, hi, yeah, well, hey, yeah, well, hey, hey, Robin, well, well, hey, hi, well, hey, hi, hey, oh, yeah, hey, woo.
Yay. Okay.
Okay, so that song is called The Woman in the East. And the words are in Ojibway. And the words mean there's a beautiful woman in the East. I hear her. Her sound is beautiful.
Oh, wow. That's so
Yeah.
beautiful.
Thank you.
You're beautiful too.
Oh, thank you. I love your heart.
Wow. Do you know what my name is?
Yeah, you're Nenaboozhoo.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. You know me. That's so great.
Yeah.
Can I see your necklace? That looks really pretty.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Is that made out of beads?
Yes, this is all made out of beads. And it's super, super special because it has all of the moon phases.
The moon phases.
Yeah, so in 1 month, there are phases.
That's so interesting and so fascinating. You know what? I'm going to have to look at the moon to just know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you'll have to look at it more often.
Yeah, I'll be like, every night I'll be like, look.
Yeah, because you'll see these.
Yeah, that'll be really nice. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome. And there's 9. There's Bejik, Nish, Niswe, Niwin, Nanan,
And good
Gadaswe,
waswe,
Nijwaswe, Shwaswe, Janswe,
And what about the middle one?
Midaswe.
Hey, Nishin, wow. That's so beautiful. Thanks for sharing. I think that's really great. So we're going to tell you a little story. The story, of course, stars myself, Nenaboozhoo, and
the incredible Nokomis.
Nokomis, who's my grandmother.
Yes.
Oh, you have nice hair, Nokomis.
Yes, she has very, very long, nice hair. And
Wow.
she is a very, very nice, wise lady.
Okay. So here's the story. I want you to listen carefully as we tell the story. The sacred story, the sacred Otsukan of Nanabuozhoo and the Thunderbirds. Okay, so a long time ago, Nanabuozhoo was hunting in the forest. And he's hunting and he's looking for deer and he's looking for moose and he's looking for beavers and he's looking for bears. He's looking for all sorts of animals so that he can have something to eat. But he shoots his arrow and guess what happens? Nothing. The arrow doesn't work. And the arrow doesn't fly straight. The arrow doesn't shoot straight. The arrow goes up and it goes down. It goes sideways. It goes this way. It goes every way except the way that it's supposed to go, which is straight. And so Nanabuozhoo was mad and went home and asked Grandma, oh, wow, we have a visitor at the door. This is very interesting. So
and Nokomis is going to be right back.
Okay, Nokomis, you go deal with the door. And I'm going to continue on with the story. So anyway, the arrows kept going all over the place. We didn't know where they went. Some of them went far, some of them went into the twisted forest. What a mess. So Nanabuozhoo went up to Nokomis and said, oh, Nokomis, I don't know what's wrong. My arrows don't shoot straight. Every time I try to shoot my arrows, they go all over the place. I don't know what to do. I don't have no idea. And Nokomis looks at Nanabuozhoo and says, you know what?
You know what, Nanabuozhoo?
What?
You know what will help you with your arrows? You need to put feathers on your arrows. That's gonna make your arrows go straight.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay.
Yes, so listen carefully as I give you these instructions.
Okay.
These feathers are sacred feathers. They're from baby thunderbirds.
Oh my goodness, okay. And where do I need to go?
So I will tell you in a minute, just be patient.
Okay.
So what happens is, I know this because I had a dream, and dreams are very sacred, and we must honor this dream because this dream is also a gift for our people. So what you need to do is you need to go to a place, Nanabuozhoo. You need to go to a place called Thunder Mountain.
Nimki Ojibway. Sorry.
And when you get there, you will see lightning bolts from the top of the mountain, and they will be shooting down. And you'll also feel the ground shake.
Hey, I'm shaking now already. Hey.
But don't be afraid. You keep walking. You keep walking and you'll see fog everywhere. And when you go through that fog, you will see the baby thunderbirds.
Up, 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 up.
And
Woo!
when you get there, you will see the baby thunderbirds. And that's where you can take the feathers from.
Okay, Nokomis.
And that's going to help with your arrows, and they'll go straight.
Okay.
And they're sacred thunderbird babies, sacred feathers. So don't be greedy. What you need to do is you need to say your miigwitches and have your tobacco in your hand
Oh, Nishin.
and give thanks to the spirits for those feathers, because those are going to help you. And that
Okay.
is a gift from the spirits to you. So
Okay.
remember to be very kind
Mm-hmm.
and to give your thank yous.
Okay.
Now go off and head off.
Okay, sounds good.
And I want to know everything when you come back.
I'll tell you everything, Nokomis. Thank
Oh,
you so much.
you're a-
I'm just so excited to go.
You're a good boy.
I'm a good boy. Ah. So Nanabush goes up the mountain. Nanaboozhoo goes up the mountain and starts to climb and climb and climb. When Nanaboozhoo gets to the top, Nanaboozhoo sees the great big nest full, plump full of baby thunderbirds. So Nanabuozhoo goes there and doesn't exactly listen to Nokomis. Sorry, Nokomis. And does not lay any tobacco down. Remember, Nokomis said you're supposed to put your tobacco down. But Nanabuozhoo didn't do that. And just started taking the feathers out of the thunderbirds. Look, look. And you can hear the baby thunderbirds go, gah, 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 gah. And Nanabuozhoo didn't care, just kept plucking those feathers, just ha, ha. And all of a sudden, something happened. Something came from the sky. Two great big giant thunderbirds. That was Mommy Thunderbird and Daddy Thunderbird. And they were mad because Nanabuozhoo was plucking feathery thunderbirds to get feathers for the arrows. So Nanabuozhoo runs and flies and starts going through the air. Because Nanabuozhoo is magic. Nanabuozhoo can shapeshift into other animals. Nanabuozhoo can do anything. And it goes into a rabbit. And then it goes into a skunk. And then it goes into a bird. And Nanabuozhoo is trying to get away from these thunderbirds. And these thunderbirds are fast. Nanabuozhoo is like really fast too. But the thunderbirds are catching up. Nanabuozhoo finally gets to this tree. This really soft tree. And this is what this tree looks like. This tree is smooth. You see how smooth it is? It's beautiful. And Nanabuozhoo asked that tree, can I hide inside of you? Can I go in there? And that tree says, yes, please come inside. You can hide inside of me. So Nanabuozhoo jumps into the tree and starts talking to the tree. And says, just hide me. These thunderbirds are after me. That tree said, no problem. Just relax. Everything's going to be fine. So Nanabush sits there and waits and waits. And all of a sudden, you could hear clawing all over the tree. You can hear bashing and you can hear fire. The thunderbirds are attacking the tree, but they can't get inside. Finally, the thunderbirds give up and they fly back. And they disappear. Nanabush safe. So Nanabush jumps out of the tree because Nanabuozhoo is magic. And Nanabuozhoo can do magical things. Nanabush jumps out of the tree and says, oh my, I can't believe how much scratches are on you. I can't believe how rough your skin is. I'm so sorry. And the tree says, that's fine. And Nanabuozhoo says, well, you know what? From this day forward, for helping me hide inside of you, I will give you fresh water, and every spring, fresh water will leak from your branches, and they will come to the ground, and it'll be sweet like sugar. And you can give sugar and beautiful things to all the people. And so that's why that tree gives off such a beautiful sap. We can drink that. That water that comes from that tree.
Wow, does it taste good?
It tastes beautiful. It tastes like the most beautifulest water on the planet. Yeah. So anyway, back to the story. So anyway, Nanaboozhoo goes back to Nokomis, his grandmother. Hi, Nokomis.
Hello, my son. My
Uh,
boy, how did you make out?
Well, I got some feathers. They're in my pack sack. I just went up there and I made a mistake. I forgot to take the tobacco out and I forgot to make an offering and I just plucked the feathers out.
Oh,
And the Thunderbirds got mad at me and they chased me and they almost got me and it was really scary.
oh, my boy, that's okay. We make mistakes.
I made a
But,
mistake.
you could have just asked for the feathers.
Oh no. You mean I could have just asked for the feathers? That's darn. Well, next time I'll do that. Next time I'm going to listen to you, Nokomis. I want to listen. Thank you so much. Hugs, hugs, hugs. Oh,
My boy.
oh, I love you too, Grandma. Thank you very much. And that is the story of how the arrow got its precious arrows or precious feathers.
Yay.
You know what? I actually have an arrow.
That is so cool.
Did you know that I have an arrow, Shannon?
No, I did not know that.
Oh, wow. Well, while I go get the arrow, why don't you start getting ready and tell them about the next song we're going to sing? Because our
Yes.
time is coming to an end for very soon. And we just want to talk to you and we want to sing you another song before we go. But I also want to show you the arrow.
Yay. The very special arrow. So the next song that we're going to sing is a very, very special song. And there are a lot of really, really nice songs. And we sing them at special times. And there's songs about water, there's songs about the moon, and there's just a lot of amazing songs. So this next song that we're gonna sing is called The First. Now, how can a song be called The First? That's such a strange name. But that song is meaning the first things to come. So it could be the first time somebody had a baby, or they're getting their, oh, what do we have here? It's an arrow.
Well, thank you so much for talking. And I just really love you, grandmother. And yeah, can I show them this arrow?
Yeah, you show them that arrow.
Okay, kids, here's the feathers on the back of the arrow. This is a very old arrow used to hunt partridge and small birds. And there's the feathers we're talking about right there.
There's the feathers.
And this is the arrow here. And when you shoot it, it goes flies straight because of the arrows. Because of the feathers on the arrows. See, I don't know how to talk, kids, but one day I'm going to learn. And so you keep learning too, and we'll get better together. Okay, so for now, we're going to sing the song.
Okay. So I was just explaining to them about the song called The First.
Oh, I love the song.
Yeah, you do. That's great.
Yeah,
Okay, so then you can help me with this song.
I'll try.
Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. Where, yeah.
Yay!
Really, really good.
Thank you.
And I loved your dancing.
Oh, I'm a good dancer. I'm a great dancer, that's for sure.
Nokomis taught him how to dance.
That's true. That's true. So I just wanted to give you a quick little message. And the message is always make sure that you offer something if you're going to take something from the earth. If you're picking an apple, you know, a really delicious apple, you know, make sure you put something down on the earth to make a trade. That's so important, to be kind, because you know what? I made a mistake when I got those feathers. I should have asked them and I should have given them something if they let me, instead of just plucking them out. That's what I should have done. And also, it's important that we thank beautiful Shannon for singing the most beautiful songs. And we want to thank Nokomis too for joining us and being a part of us, and for always showing us what's right and wrong, and for always doing the good things. And so we're going to let Shannon give us the last words before we disappear back into the forest.
All right. So Nokomis wants to give a message. Always respect the waters and always give your thank yous. And grandmother is always going to watch you from the moon. And I'm connected to the waters. So have fun with the water, but also stay safe and respect the water.
Yay! I'm clapping.
It was
Hey, everybody.
so fun.
It was very
really
fun.
I'm really glad that we're able to be here.
Yep.
And I hope you enjoyed the story. And remember those very important messages that Nokomis and Nenaboozhoo. I almost said Nanamumu.
Nanamumu.
Nanaboozhoo.
Nanamumu. Okay, bye everybody. Nanamumu.
Mama